Sandra Leibel. She's a fellow neonatologist in my lab and was interested in studying lung disease in babies. And in the course of doing that in our group, along with some very talented technicians and graduate students in the group, came up with what you were seeing on the left. That is a mini lung in the dish. And you would say, well, that doesn't really look like a lung. But, it actually functions and does look like a lung. This is what most people think of when they think about a lung. But the lung is made up of many different cell types. And they all develop in utero. Sounds like I'm being called to go to the NICU. They develop in utero all the various cell types that you can see. Now, what stem cell biologists do is emulate the development of the lung. They start at the earliest stages and watch the development until you get all the cell types. Well, once you've recreated that in a dish, you do have a complete lung that, if you've done it right, actually, as you can see in this movie, emulates not only all the cell types that potentially the virus could hit, but even the respiratory movements of the lung. So literally a mini lung in the dish. And we were in a unique possibility. And I can say, unlike anybody else in the world, we have the only authentic mini lungs in a dish in the literature, could start infecting them, seeing what are the cell types that are infected, what does the virus do once it's made this connection, and then which of Sumit's drugs could be most useful to fast track into clinical trials to take care of patients, and try to work out the mechanism, try to work out the dosing, and as maybe we'll talk about later, even make sure that these drugs are effective against all potential patients that could be afflicted with this viral infection.